Inland Empire is home to a number of firms that have established themselves as industry leaders in manufacturing. For more than 2 decades, A19 Artisan Lighting, based in Ontario, has transformed clay into light and craftsmanship into art. Founded in 2000 by Cinnamon Alvarez, the company is celebrated for its handcrafted ceramic sconces and pendants. Fixtures featured in award-winning homes, boutique resorts, and national design showcases. A19's artistry has been highlighted on How It's Made, and Cinnamon's entrepreneurial leadership has been recognized by the Hospitality Industry Network. When supply chains froze during the pandemic, Eric Rogers saw opportunity where others saw obstacles. In 2020, he founded Echo Ice Products, a cold chain packaging manufacturer based in Ontario, specializing in high-performance ice gel packs. What began as an urgent solution for food service customers suddenly left without supply has grown into a trusted partner for brands like Fresh and Lean and FlexPro Meals. Paired with its sister company, Echo Packaging, the firm delivers a fully integrated cold chain solution. Founded in 2010, Metro USA has become a trusted leader in steel building products, manufacturing roll-formed panels, purlins, decking, and trims for projects of every size. Operating from its advanced facility in Fontana, the company delivers factory direct value and precision to contractors and clients across California. Under the leadership of Ashnil Chan and Dioram Marchand, the firm has modernized a traditional industry through technology and automation. For more than 4 decades, Plastics Plus Technology has been quietly shaping innovation through precision contract manufacturing. Founded in 1980, the Redlands-based firm specializes in custom plastic injection molding, producing a wide range of parts for medical, dental, industrial electronics, and mission-critical applications. Under Kathy Boder's leadership, the firm has become a go-to supplier and continues to invest in robotics, automation, and advanced workforce training to fuel its growth. As you can see, these companies represent the Inland Empire region's top talent in the manufacturing sector.